Mirajul Islam pulled one back from the penalty here. The match
The
official.
Nepal starting 11 on your screen. We will be having a look at the formation in a while. What has
Up front for the Bangladeshi team. It's a 4-3 by the coach.
Well, everything said and done. Here we go with the whistle of the final of the
As
SAP
well.
and
That is quite
Jalebis.
interesting.
For now, this can be a chance for Bangladesh. Oh! Moment.
Oh, what a tackle. You beauty. What a tackle there by Ashwin Gorasaini.
Look like they don't want
Perfectly-
to sit back here. Making the run. Kushal. And that can be a chance for Nepal. But has been muscle out.
Eye on the golden boot, and this time he had the opportunity to make it 4.
That lies in the hearts of the Nepalese.
As we knew, the game was supposed to happen in Dasra Stadium.
Long ranger by Nepal. And what a clearance that was. Mohammad Asif to get.
Nirajan Dhami with a long ranger. Oh, how much closer can you get? Mohammad Asif with a Superman save here. That was quite
Samir Tamang playing from the deep this time. Long ranger easily into the hands of the goalkeeper.
approaching with the ball once again. Kushal Deuba. Oh, that was a nutmeg, wasn't it? Nirajan.
Another long ranger from Nirajan.
That is another belter there by the number 10. He knows where the goal is, Nirajan Dhami. He tried his luck once again. It was just creeping inside the first bar, or was it going out?
Twisting and turning now. Nepal will be on a break. There needs to be a quick run of Samir. Samir might be clean through. He's
Quite
still
needed
on
a
the
little bit of
ball.
shower for the heated up players, I guess. This was the cross. And Avinash and Avinash with the worst of the touches here. You could have done much better. But then again, as you say, it's
What
the
a
final.
chance. What a chance that was.
What a header that was from the Bangladeshi defender. I was talking about Rustam. Trying to pile on the pressure from the right once again.
Wonderful display of foot, and that will be a free kick and maybe possibly a card. Going in the right direction.
And this was quite wasteful there by Simanta. He was trying to catch the...
Pressure by his teammate Nirajan going for the low one this time. Took it only to shoot it wide.
Neeraj winning the ball. Nirajan was the one who was firing again. Moved just above Asif. This could have been dangerous. He could have opted to go for the second bar where the goalkeeper was...
Being done. Nepal managing to win the ball possession. They progress forward now. Once again, Nirajan won another long ranger, and on top long ranger in this game. Back in the commentary box is Avinav Joshi. What do you make of that, Avinav?
Well, thank you, Avaz. It's been electrifying.
This side.
Quite intelligent there by the number 10. He felt the contact and you knew the
free
ball...
kick. Mirajul! What a goal! Mirajul Islam! Strike!
As they say, it is one from the heavens. The goalkeeper could do nothing. It was the brilliant free kick from the number 10. He created it for himself. He was the one who won the free kick. And look at the joy, the sheer joy of the Bangladeshi players from the bench. This is what Bangladesh is capable of. They're capable of on the downside now.
Can Nepal do it? Turn and shoot. Once again, we could see is a
Bangladesh should be white and patient and peaceful like their jersey. Samir. Oh boy. Once again, Nepal has the opportunity. Nirajan Dhami going forward, and that is a clearance thereby. Now Nepal from the left. Samir Tamang approaches from the left hand side. Samir quite wasteful there. The winger Rabi. Asadul with a cross here. Could be dangerous. Bangladesh take another goal here. The Bengal Tigers roar again.
Mirajul Islam. Talk about the quality of that cross. Was going either way, but Mirajul Islam made sure the ball went into the net. He was onside. And Bangladesh now on a 2-goal cushion in the final.
Now Mirajul coming forward from the left hand side. Mirajul with an opportunity here. He's on a hat trick. Mirajul Islam sets it up for Robbie. Robbie Hussain!
In the coffin in this match. Look at that footwork. Was on a hat trick, but he let his teammate do it. Mohammad Rabi Hussain Raul making no mistake to tap the ball in. No answer for Jared Sheikh. Just look at how cleanly he took that shot.
A card for a simulation there. He was looking for it. The number 7. This is not a good sight to see. This is not. Was there? Anil with the shot. Trying to find the top corner. Anil very brave here. Samir with the ball inside the box. There can be an opportunity. Rohan was there. Clearly collected there by the Bangladeshi goalkeeper now.
Football Championship.
Now Bangladesh going forward. Robbie Hussain. Oh.
Combination.
Ram Thapa. Ram with a cross inside the box. There can be an opportunity here. Nepal. And that is the first goal for Nepal. Samir Tamang. Can it be coming? A yellow card there. There is some
Look at the
confusions.
replay, and that was a free header. This time around, he did not miss it. A clear eye on the goal, and he was free as well. He took all he can, and the support we can actually see it in the replay. Going for the ball, he actually got the ball first. That should have never been a foul. He got the ball first.
And that was said by Sir Alex Ferguson. And now, Rabi is still there. Rabi is still there. Could be an opportunity for Bangladesh. Oh, that could have.
Bangladesh on a brink of win. Less than a minute to go. 2 goals to be scored.
Ram Thapa with the cross inside. There could be dangerous. Oh, the goalkeeper.
It's margins. It's margins at the moment for Nepal.
Going forward. Samir with the cross inside the box. There can be a danger. Asif once again gets the ball. Quite effective, the goalkeeper today from scoring.
And it's Nirajan Dhami who once again comes.
Oh, Robbie comes out on top here from the left. Kushal was stranded there. Piyush Nova has options. A very good defending. But then again, Nepal concede a corner. 6 minutes here, 5 minutes or so. Rabi, oh my God. This guy. Rabi Hussain with the cross, and this time, it's a clearance. Still Nepal going forward. Still Nepal.
Still the hopes of Nepal.
Okay, let's see. In the replay then. The ball was certainly... I do not think so, Avash. I certainly do not think so. It went inside. And it has been the story of the day for Nepal. They have been quite wasteful with their opportunities, with their chances. And this was another to do so. There is another shot straight into the hands of the goalkeeper. And this...
And that is the final whistle. Bangladesh rejoice. What a match we've witnessed today.